Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share fitness tips and tricks to help you stay healthy and strong. In today's video, we're going to talk about burpees and the effects they have on your body when you do them every day. So watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. Let's begin. Burpees are a full body exercise that can help you build strength and endurance while burning calories. When you do burpees every day, you'll start to notice some amazing changes in your body. When you do burpees every day, you're essentially training your cardiovascular system to become more efficient. Your heart and lungs are working together to supply your muscles with the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform the exercise. Over time, your body will adapt to this increased demand and become better at supplying oxygen to your muscles. The benefits of improved cardiovascular fitness go beyond just performing burpees. It can help you to improve your endurance during other physical activities, such as running, cycling, or swimming. By improving your cardiovascular fitness through burpee training, you'll be able to perform these activities with more ease and for longer durations. Over time, your body will adapt to this increased demand and become better at supplying oxygen to your muscles. Burpees are a dynamic exercise that requires your body to work harder than most other bodyweight exercises, making them a highly effective calorie-burning exercise. According to research, doing burpees for just 10 minutes can burn up to 100 calories, which is equivalent to running a mile. This makes burpees an excellent exercise for those looking to burn calories and lose weight. Studies have shown that high-intensity exercises like burpees can elevate your metabolic rate for up to 24 hours after your workout, resulting in increased calorie burn even after your workout is over. Burpees are a complex and challenging exercise that engage multiple muscle groups, making them an excellent full-body workout. Consistently performing burpees on a daily basis can aid in developing lean muscle mass, enhancing overall body composition, boosting mood and energy levels. Plus, they're a convenient exercise that requires no equipment, making them a perfect addition to any exercise routine. This can give you a more athletic and toned physique, which can improve your overall health and body confidence. Burpees are a versatile and challenging exercise that can provide numerous benefits for mobility and flexibility. They require moving through various planes of motion, promoting increased range of motion and decreasing the likelihood of injury. Moreover, they can help improve balance, coordination, and agility, enhancing overall athletic performance. Adding burpees to your exercise routine can be an excellent way to improve your overall health and fitness. Burpees, like other forms of exercise, can release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. By doing burpees every day, you can improve your mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and feel more energized throughout the day. Endorphins can also help to reduce pain, improve sleep, and boost your immune system. Burpees are a challenging exercise that can test your mental toughness. By doing burpees every day, you can push yourself to new limits, improving your mental toughness and resilience. The exercise requires you to push through discomfort and fatigue, which can help you develop a stronger mindset and overcome other challenges in your life. Burpees require coordination and balance, which can improve your overall coordination and balance. By doing burpees every day, you can improve your ability to move and perform everyday activities, reducing the risk of falls and other injuries. This can be particularly helpful for older adults or people with balance issues. Remember to start slow and work your way up to doing more burpees as you build strength and endurance. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.